Hello, welcome to this puff crust pizza in the wood-fired oven masterclass at Manna from Devon Cooking School. My name's David Jones. I've been teaching pizza making, bread making and everything to do with wood-fired ovens here at the Manna from Devon Cooking School since 2006. This class is going to be all about pizza, and of course the one thing that everybody wants to cook perfectly in their wood-fired oven is pizza, and it should be simple. It's a nice disc of dough with some nice toppings on top, baked in the oven. What could possibly go wrong? Except, of course, there's lots of little elements within that do catch people out quite a lot, and we want to be consistent and stress-free in our pizza making, and it's those sorts of issues that we're going to be addressing in this class. So we're going to look at everything from the ingredients going into your dough, how to make it, how to ferment it, right through to how to bake it and what the finished product should look like. And along the way, we're going to be addressing those issues which can catch you out from time to time to hopefully enable you to consistently cook fantastic and perfect pizzas. If you've got a wood-fired oven and you're looking to perfect your skills, then this is the class for you. So you can see behind me the oven that we're going to be using during this class, which is a classic masonry oven. But if you've got a steel oven, then this class will also be suitable for you, with some little differences which I'll point out along the way. So that's what we're all about. Let's get started.